Hi everybody, this is Anna. I'm going to teach you how to do a magic circle. So first, you're going to take your tail. I always use 2 fingers on my thumb, and you're going to hold it down. We're going to do it without the crochet hook first. You're going to wrap it towards the back, and then you're going to, keep your fingers a little bit open because you're going to use your fingers. So you're going to wrap it towards the back, bring it towards the front like an 11, and then you're going to cross it over like an X. Then you're going to take your finger, go under the yarn to pull that back yarn, and you're going to pull it towards you, see, towards you and up. And now you're going to make it bigger so you can get your fingers in there to grab that back yarn. Once you have that back yarn, you're just pulling it through. It's very baggy, so make sure you tighten everything before you let it go. Everything is getting pretty tight for me. I'm just pulling and tugging. And this loop that we created is where you put your crochet hook. Pull that little tail out, tighten it, and there it is. So this is where you would begin working for your project. This is where you would do your 6 single crochet typically. All right, now let's do it with the crochet hook. It's the same exact thing. So you're going to hold the yarn, bring it towards the back, up front an 11. You're going to make an X here on the back of your fingers. You're going to go under, pull this, bring it towards you and up, and then you're going to grab this back yarn and pull it through your loop that you just made. And that is it. You could let go. You pull your little tail through, tighten everything, and that is where you would work your single crochets. That's how you make a magic circle with or without a crochet hook.